Madam.
Excellent.
Where is the approach to this line? Oh, just this way. Now.
Same way that you're coming to
Parking level itself. Okay.
see where
From
you're
our side
coming.
only straight it will go.
Kajing up kabala kham slam na kabenta bantai pyndep ya kayo Laitumkhrah Market Complex kabalate hapo ka project Smart City lamang ban pyndep ha ubnai Rymphang jong usnam banwan. Ya kani laong da Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ubala hier jurip ya kani kayo ha kajingadan lang ka menteri bat MLA ka East Shillong constituency kong amperin lingdo bat kiwe. Kajingte ya kayo Laitumkhrah kala kenjo sya ka Laitumkhrah keluar tingka. Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ula kermen baha ubnai luber ha katayo baningkong an IT ya kani ka building. Ula ongru ba kani kayo kadan hadu shispa propulai teli kidukan nestol bat kandrong hadu shispa teli ki kali. Kakong amprin kala ong ba kadap da kajing sngokmen ba u Deputy Chief Minister ula pelat por khnang banwan jurip ya kani kayo bat kala ong ba kahun ya kajing terekam kebalaya chatshan. Kala ong ru ba kani ka project kan longkum kawai na ki project ba ki pat ba ken mau namar kalong ka buram ya ukpa jongka ulit Peter Garnet marbanyang namar ba hadir arp news nam ba dan shu ha kani ka perthai lala banwan ra ya kani ka project ya upat ba kalat mkhra.
Happy to see the work is progress in a very positive way. So hopefully this first week we will be able to complete by last week of February. Then we'll move to the second phase. Project cost is 38 crore for this one. This I think by first week of March as per it should be able to hand over. Then only then we'll be able to move to the second phase. Because it's extend because of the COVID. Because the contractor got a work order just before COVID and 2 years you know very well just so. But anyway, we'll try to complete within the target time. Also, as per DPR is 483, 100 number of car. The place we stand is a parking space.
They he target pandem March 2024. So we are actually on time. But mentakasi hadirin kecingwan kejonga but the Honorable Urban Minister but the Deputy Chief Minister jong kejelah ng Sniawbhalang ngiyui baka progress kalong very satisfactory. Now kani ka project kadang datang ka phase 1. Kandon sa ka phase 2. Marhakate ka jaka kabang ni relocate iki vendors na kani kayaw syatay ki don ko ba sispa prapunyungut ki vendors. Dimenta ngin hapan dismantle saya katay ngin relocate iki hangni di henrai shwa ban le lut iki tabro ni hapan ye shong shwa ban di officers ki designers, ki architect, ki engineers na marngindang hapan yan kren ki issues kat ni kat totally. Ingis ngungu sibon ya i Deputy CM bay lapoy hakan ni kejaka. Ngayo last minute information nga claim yo ban ya thu igisnong tang ba in the next dialogue ngin siya kren lang bat kasnong ru. Ngi kwa ban tip ya ka utility jong kini ki spaces. Kano ka area ngin utilize na kamta. Kano ka jaj tukan. Ni datrang banpeg bakayaw Laitumkhrah kanlong ka massive integrated project. Kung bakalong menta hakan ni jaka ka parking kaditang namta sispa teliki kali. Ninumla namal approximately kidukan hakini ki arteliki buildings kin kot saka sispa kalay po sispa sila arspa. Tingi hapan peg ba ka ratio of vehicular parking of 1:100 kamot maribay kanumlong ni hapan pet bakataru ngin laban chief ngin habiak dan kan bakasnong man ni kermen bakasnong ru kanya trade kan pat ni kasnong kalalong awe ni kwa ru ban accommodate hangtai ni kwa ban ai ya kasnong Laitumkhrah pulun iaka big community facility hakatay ka jaka ka jong kasnong kuat ban ai ki ke community hall, ni kuat ban ai ki ke revenue sharing program, ni kuat ban ai ki ya ke parking bakirukin imlang ha kini gisnem ki banwan. Tilada kini baru ngile simultaneously ngataraikan bah. Bat kan wan lam ya kita ka facelift hang ni Laitumkhrah ka ba Mano kimpat la mani imagine. Tikane kade gawe bapa. Sakawe ka bentang manghap ni keren benda ka nang ni kan tut chano namar baye ki turu impat le ya kata intervention ni hap taru ka bala benlong insignificant ni babon malang ndre ka belong very important nam ta ka success to project. Ka yau ka Rymphang ni ka sakut ka ka pentran ya ka foundation jong ketukan ka yau ba ka bayuan ra iba Peter bampuai waru bedai nadu 19 82 83 84. This is a good day for the people of Laitumkhrah. This is a good day for the people in general of Shillong City. Bangi yo kane ka intervention ka baitna. Cause escalation kam don. Previous calculations nindang ya keren. Nin hapet bakadon ka proper fencing hangni, nin hapet bakadon ka security ka ban secure ya ka safety jong ka building, but ya ka safety jong kinonglet nong one hak ni inyo. I am hopeful and I am grateful ba ublay ula don dekat bat ni hak ni ka project. Tadi ka dream come true na ka jong ni, but nginum ibeiru ijing ya kana klem da ya kana lupa. Leaving no stone unturned baong tinkering. We have to make sure that this will be a legacy for generations to come. People of Laitumkhrah should be the first targeted beneficiaries for employment generation and opportunity. I'm going to put my foot down and we're going to make sure that this becomes a legacy for the people of Laitumkhrah particularly. We already have a plan for focus. I will disclose the plan as and when the time is correct. You know that there are legal entanglements. There is a vendor case that is going on. The hawkers are also approaching the court for certain requirements, for certain justifications of their relocations. We already have a plan which is away from this project. Do not mix these two things. This is a project for the people of the constituency, particularly people of Laitumkhrah. And we should remember that every time these kinds of markets come up, always when a market comes in Polo, they say this is first for the people of Polo. When a market comes in Laban, they'll say this is first for the people of Laban. I feel that it is just fair that we should first accommodate the people of Laitumkhrah first, who will be the main beneficiaries of this project. But yes, modern day markets require collaboration, interfacing. We want to see good restaurants coming up here. We want to see a huge food court at the terrace location. We want to accommodate Sengsamla plans. We want to accommodate other plans that are going to be good for the people of Laitumkhrah. Now, there will be complications, there will be challenges, there will be tussles. But at the end of the day, I am happy. My father's dream has come true. And this is what I will always remember this project for. An inspection that we have done several times. But today I'm very happy that the Honorable Deputy CM himself, in charge of urban affairs, Mr. Sniawbhalang Dhar, made time to come for the inspection along with us. So we are now satisfied with the progress of works in this project. I was able, along with the Honorable Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, to go to the highest level of the building, which again was not there earlier. We are now familiar. We are looking at spaces, we're looking at allocation, we're looking at relocation. So this is part one of the project. There's going to be a second phase. We're looking at parking, we're looking at sanitization, we're looking at facilities for vendors, we're looking for comfort of shoppers. So this huge integrated project will be something that the people of Laitumkhrah will remember for years to come. This is in honor of my late father, Peter Garnet Marbanyang. 27 years after he is no longer with us, we have brought this project for the people of Laitumkhrah. The first beneficiaries must be the people of Laitumkhrah. We should not compromise on that. We must empower hundreds of young people who have a business built and a business mind. Not anyone can engage in business. We will have an evaluation system that will be as per requirements, and we will see what can we do to utilize these facilities efficiently. Second part of the project is also going to be big. We are looking at the inclusion of Darbar land. Now that the Darbar has a land adjacent to the market, we are looking at bringing for them a huge community infrastructure, which will include office for the Darbar, office for the Seng Samla, office for the Seng Longkami, space for conference, space for parking. So it will be a good thing. I hope that the Darbar will work hand in hand with the government, and I hope that the soreness of that land for its various difficult times will be forgotten, and I am confident that this integrated project will be the best thing to facelift further the town of Laitumkhrah and the city of Shillong, and I hope that it will be a place where we will be able to generate happiness, employment. Good things will happen here in this complex. The completion of the project was slated, if I remember correctly, March 2024. There will be some overlapping of time. We will lose a bit because there were certain utilities that needed to be attended to. We needed to relocate vendors from this location. Then you saw the fire came. We were very challenged with all of those difficulties. I expect that by December 2024, we will at least be able to see the start of Project 2, Phase 2. And I am happy and grateful to the Government of India as well for the funds that have been allocated for this project through the Smart City scheme of the Government of India.